Hello again, boys and girls. Miss Luria coming at you from right here in Oakside, and welcome to the Peak Flicks channel. We are on our 9th math lesson. Oh, wow. That's so crazy. Can you imagine how many different strategies we've learned in such a short amount of time? You guys are doing fantastic. So, last time we met, we talked a lot about regrouping or bundling or carrying over when we are adding two numbers together. Today, we are going to continue to practice that skill, but we're going to add bigger numbers using regrouping. So for this lesson, you are going to need your materials, your whiteboard and your marker, or your notebook and a pencil. And as always, you're going to need your hundreds chart and your base 10 blocks. So please pause this video and go get those materials now. Okay, welcome back, friends. When we talk about regrouping, we talk about the process of making groups of 10 when you're adding or subtracting two-digit numbers. Another name for that, do you remember when we talked about that last time? Another name for regrouping is borrowing, bundling, or carrying over. They're all the same words for the same strategy. And it's important that we learn these strategies to become better at adding and subtracting really big numbers. Because guess what, boys and girls? Great mathematicians use many different strategies to become better mathematicians. And we're going to be using math forever. For the rest of your life, you are going to be using some kind of math. So it's super important that we practice all of these skills and put them all together so that it helps us to grow as mathematicians. Are you ready? Okay, so now that we have all of our materials, we're going to get moving. Okay, boys and girls, now that I have my materials ready, I am going to try to solve some problems. Let's try 16 plus 17, because why not? The first thing I'm going to do is build the numbers. But, what happens if I forget to carry something over? You know what, boys and girls? I'm going to switch this to the vertical way, because Miss Luria really likes the vertical way best. It helps me to see where my numbers are going when I carry them over. First, we're going to build the number 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now, I am going to build the number 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did you notice that I counted on? That's a really great strategy to use when we are trying to figure out how to build our numbers on our place value chart. The first thing I'm going to do is add my ones together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I definitely have enough to regroup. So I am going to regroup or bundle my ones together to make 110. Here we go. 9, 10. Okay. I bundled my ones together. Now I have to carry that 10. I'm going to take my 10 ones and turn them into 110. So how many ones are left in the ones place? 3 ones are left in the ones place. How many 10s do I have now? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, or 1, 2, 3. There are 3 10s in the tens place. So I'm going to take my whiteboard, and we just figured out that 6 plus 7 equals 13. How do I know? Because it's right here on my place value chart. So I'm going to put my 3 ones in the ones place, and I have to remember to carry over the 10 ones that I bundled, my brand new 10 that I just created. I have to remember to carry it over. If I forget, my math is going to be very wrong. So how many 10s do I have now? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 10s, or 10, 20, 30. So 3 10s in the tens place. Let me double check to make sure that I'm right. 3 10s plus 3 1s equals 33. So 16 plus 17 equals 33. Nice job, boys and girls. Let's do another one together. So please erase your boards. And here we go. Okay. Let's try 34 plus 18. But I don't want to write it this way. I want to write it the vertical way. Plus 18. I apologize. Let's move that to the side. And let's build our numbers. We need 3 10s in the number 34. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Now I'm going to build the number 18. There's 1 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Great job so far, boys and girls. Okay, now we have to add up our ones. You are correct. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They're definitely enough for us to regroup. So I'm going to make my circle around my ones and bundle all the ones together. Then we move it to the tens place. You got it. And I make a brand new 10. So how many ones are left in the ones place? The ones that are outside of the bundle that I just drew. 1, 2. There are 2 ones in the ones place. I'm going to get my board, and I'm going to do that right away because we just figured out that 4 plus 8 equals 12. So there are 2 ones in the ones place. That means I have to carry over my brand new 10 that I just bundled. Let's figure out how many 10s we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 10s in the tens place. Let's double check. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 34 plus 18 equals 52. Nice job, boys and girls. Okay, now it's your turn to practice this strategy. In a few moments, you are going to see a slide with some math equations on them. You are going to pause that video and practice this strategy. Don't forget to carry over your bundled ones together. Once you bundle those ones and you turn it into a 10, you have to carry it over to the tens place. Don't forget. When you're done, ask an adult for help. Get ready to pause the video because here comes your slide. Good luck. See you soon.